Hey guys, what's up? All here in another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It might be just a little hard for those people who just don't know how to solve a cube, but I'll teach you it. I'll teach you it, and I'll also teach you some other stuff, like some other advanced things. So let's start. Now that we got that started, we will start by training you with another puzzle. Now, the first thing you should do when trying to learn it is learn how to solve the 1x1x3. It's actually quite easy. Hardest scramble is 2 moves. The hardest scramble, checkerboard pattern. It's quite easy. But once you learn how to solve that, then you can get on to this. Ha! Now, since I'm a speed cuber, this might seem a bit more easy for me, but I will try my best to make it more easy for you guys. So I'm going to scramble it. And there, it's scrambled. Now, let's start with the 2x2 part. The next step is solving the right side. So find, since the last thing I did was make these two opposite, then find, like for example, if you find this, a piece of the white, another right corner. Now when you see this, these two, you'll see that this one has green and this one has red, for this red and green piece. For example, the other colors other than white are red and green, so it would fit in the red and green slots. So just do this algorithm. Turn the right side clockwise, the top clockwise, the right counterclockwise, and the top counterclockwise. Repeat that with it in the top right or bottom right corner until you get it. So, for example, you could have it here, or you could have it down here. You could have it like this. It doesn't matter. Just keep doing it until you got that one in. Next one is this piece right here. Now you can go match it once again, and you can do this algorithm, the same algorithm, put it in, or if it's in, you can take it out. There's one more case. If it's like in like this and it's not the right piece you want, then do the same algorithm to get it out. Now you should have the right side done. Now that you have the right side done with these areas matching, now you can move on to the top layer. Find a random piece with yellow on it. For example, this one. Move it along. Move it along until the colors other than yellow are matching, like you did with the white. So like red, so there's yellow, which will go on top. And there's blue and red, which matches blue and red. So now you can do this algorithm. Turn the top clockwise, right clockwise, top counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, and left. Now, if these corners aren't all in the right places, you could do it again, and you'll get something like this, where they're all matching. There's also this other case. I'll show it to you. There's this other case that you can get where like there's these, they're swapped. Like this red and green should go over here and that. If you like have them like this, you don't need to worry. That's natural. Then just do the same algorithm that I said before, and then turn the top clockwise or counterclockwise if you need to. There's one more case that I know of that might be on your top layer, which is this case. Opposite corners. Where this should go here, this should go here. Just do the same, just put in the matching corners up here. Do the algorithm. How many times in that much time? 2 or 1 time, and then you'll get the case from before. You can do it. Now that you got all these corners in the right areas, it's time to finish up the cube. Next thing for you to do, once you have all these corners matching, and all you need to do is take these corners and kind of like, don't do that, that might damage your cube, but just put an unmatched corner like this and the top and the bottom right corner of your thing. The one I have, so I have this case, for example. I'll take this first one or this one and put it in the bottom right corner of my cube. Now do the same, or you do this. You do that algorithm that we used in the white corners and do it again. Now, you probably will just do this if we just have, like, for example, this case, where you, like, for example, have, when you do the algorithm, make sure to turn the bottom instead of just turning the key like this to do the next one. No, turn the bottom and then do the next one. Once you do that, your 2x2 should be solvable from what you learned from the 1x1x3. It should be solvable. Just a few turns, 1 or 2 turns, and now you've finished your cube.